In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video into a Leadpages landing page. This is a quick and easy way to make your page more engaging and boost conversions. First, go to YouTube and open the video you want to add to your landing page. Below the video player, click the share button and then choose Embed. You'll see an HTML embed code appear. Copy this code so it's ready to use. Next, open Leadpages and log in to your account. From your dashboard, either create a new landing page or open an existing one you want to edit. Once you're inside the Leadpages editor, look at the left-hand sidebar where all the widgets are located. Find the video widget and drag it onto your landing page wherever you want the video to appear. After placing it, click on the widget to open its settings. Here, you can either paste the YouTube embed code you copied earlier or simply paste the YouTube video URL. Both options work perfectly. After adding the code or link, click Save to apply the changes. To double check everything, use the preview option to make sure the video displays and plays correctly on your page. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Leadpages landing page, making it more interactive and engaging for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more quick tutorials like this.